Hey everyone, let's make some delicious meat dishes. Whether it's a meatball, cutlet, or something else, these tips will help you. Choose your meat beef, pork, chicken, or whatever you like. Add more flavor. Use herbs, spices in your taste, black pepper, onion, and garlic for extra taste. To keep it juicy, add things like eggs. Combine your meat with egg and flavoring. Pack in the flavor, use herbs, black pepper, and onion. My choice will be black pepper, onion, and some spices all the time. Mix it up. Be gentle. Mix everything together carefully. Add some flour for shaping it easily. Chill out. Let it rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And that's it. You are ready to shape your meat into meatballs, cutlet, let's create something amazing.